Good morning friends. In this video today we are going to see how to start Google Meet using G Suite account and Google Classroom for teachers. How we are going to use Jamboard, JAM board, that is whiteboard, in online classes. Now let us see. First you go to Google Chrome. There you have to type google.com. Then you have to sign in with the school issued ID, that is G Suite account. For example, the account will start from TR, that means TR means teachers, followed by your name and KVS Chennai region .in, like that it will start. Then next you give, again you can sign in classroom google.com, classroom, type just google.com, classroom.google. If you type it, it will show you your particular class. For example, my class is 3rd A. Just click it. It will take you to the full class details. Here you can find the details of your class. Here the meet link is given. Just you click the meet link to start the meeting. As soon as you click the meeting link, the screen will appear like this. You have to give the option join now. Once join now, then only the children can join in your Google Meet. If you are not given the join, then the children cannot come to your class. First we have to start the class, then only the children can come to your class. Next, here you can find many options are there. There are 3 dots, the corner, there the first option is record meeting. When you click this one, the whole meeting you can record it. Here it will come like this. You just give accept. Once if you give accept, the left corner you can find the recording option. That red color you can find, that means the record is going on. If you don't want to record, again you go to the same 3 dot, again stop recording. You have to give like this. So now the record is stopped. Now the whatever we have saved, the recording will be saved in your Google Drive. If you want, you can see from the Google Drive, then you can recover all the recorded meeting. Now second, you can come change layout. Once you click it, there are options. Here you can see the first option like this. Here when you click this one, the students will appear in this way. So the first option, here at present no student is there. In this change layout, you can find sidebar, tiled bar and spotlight. This is better. Tiled bar you can select it. Here more number of children you can see in the screen. So minimum 20 to 21 children you can find at a time in the screen. This is the best. You can select the tiled option. Then another menu in this, if you want, you can use the full screen also. Then the full screen you can view the whole class. That is actually full screen. Now other things it is not required for this. Next, coming to present now. Here there is one arrow mark button is there. Just if you click it, it will show you the present. Your entire screen you want to present. That means your screen in your desktop or laptop, the whole screen will show you. But when you click a window, the particular window, if I click it, there I want to show you, suppose I want to show the PowerPoint children PowerPoint presentation. For that you have to click a window. There is option window, click it. Then you have to open the PowerPoint from your system, from your computer. Then just you click it here. Then share. It will appear like that. Then you can show the slideshow from the beginning. So you want to explain this one to your particular class children. Here there is a option that pen option is available. Just to click it. You want to underline something or you want to highlight something, that you can tell to the children. Here I made the PowerPoint based on foods we eat, class 3 EVS. You can also make your own PowerPoint and you can use it in the online classes. Now here my PowerPoint is like that. Like that you can also make your own PowerPoint. After showing, you can stop presenting. That is very important. Stop presenting. Then students can't see the presentation. Now you can see the whole students in your class. Now next one is JAM board, Jamboard, or we can say whiteboard. If you want to show the children whiteboard, and you can use the whiteboard in using this Jamboard. How it is working? Just you type it. Here there are 9 dots is there, that is called actually Google app. Just you click it. Down this board is available. You can see JAM board, Jamboard. Just you click it. It will come to here. There will be a plus button. Just you click it. The board will appear like this. Here you can find there is a pen is available. You can use the pen for writing. For example, I want to write something on the board. You can take pen from here and write KV DGQA, whatever you want. You can write and show to the children. Suppose your topic you want to mention, here there is another option. Here you can erase also. Here there is another button. You can rub it or you can erase. It is just like whiteboard. This option is available in Google Classroom. The option I told you, accordingly you have to come. Second, third one, you can find a sticky note. Here if you click it, it will appear like this. You can type welcome to Kendra Vidyalaya DGQA, or you can type it welcome to the concerned class. For example, welcome to science class. Like that you can type it there. Then you have to give save. It will appear in your whiteboard itself. This class only you are going to take it now. You can move it, you can enlarge it, anything it is possible. Here the options are there, so you can type it in the class itself in the Jamboard. Now you don't want this one, you want another board. Here there is another option, create frame. Once you can create another frame will be created. Here this pen, you can change the color also. There are options for red, green, blue, whatever color accordingly you can take. Again I am writing my name. So in this way you can write and you can highlight also. There is your laser. Just click it. Just you want to underline, so side by side it will disappear also. There are many options available in this. Then you can now coming to insert the image, add image. Here there are so many frames are available. Second, third frame. Suppose I want to write only science class, so it will be using the pen. You can change the color, any color you can use. EVS, suppose EVS class, you can write like this, and you can move to the next frame. There are so many frames available in this. Suppose you want to show the previous frame to the children, it will be there. One, this first I have written like this. Then previous frame I wrote welcome to science class. So if you are writing something here on question answer, then you can go for the next one. After explanation you can go to the next frame. So accordingly you can write in the backside frame will be in the saved position only. If you want you can keep it in the same position, saved position only. Now you coming to next one. Here you want to teach something by inserting the image. For example, I want to insert a image. That image I am going to explain to my class. For that we need image, downloaded image in the system, in your desktop or in your computer. Just you click here. Here there is a option, select from your device. Click it. So many images. Now I want to show one parts of flower. So this flower image I am going to bring it in the Jamboard. How? Just you click it. It will appear in the right side. Then open. Now it is loading, uploading. You can see the parts of flowers. It will be helpful for the science teacher to teach. Just you keep it on the Jamboard. Now you can take the pen. Pen option is there. You can take pen, and color also you can select. You can explain to your children what about the parts of the flowers. There are the anther, filament, like that. There are many parts are there. You can explain by showing this one. You can explain to your children. Then you can use this laser for underline. Then immediately it will disappear. There are many options are there, that by doing you can understand easily. Before doing all this, you have to share the screen. Just you click it, Chrome tab. Just you click it, then only the option will come. The Jamboard will appear here. Click and share it. It will come like this. Then you can explain to your children. Okay, next there are many, you can whatever one you can do it in the board. It is like whiteboard, we can say JAM board bolte hain, like that. There are many names are there. Now coming to the, then one more thing, after the class is over, you have to ask the children to leave the class. That you have to take care, because if you leave the class, here there is a option, if you leave the class, there are chances for the children to continue to talk with their friends. So we should not allow them to be in the classroom. So this is very important. Even all the KVS, they are telling that we must leave the children, then only the teacher should leave from the concerned class. That is very important. Once if you leave from the class, the chances are there the children will talk among themselves. This will create unnecessary problems. So kindly you have to first leave the children from your class. Lastly, you can leave yourself. This is the step you have to follow when you are conducting online Google Meet. Please take care for all the steps which we discuss here. Thank you.